I just don't know how to keep it in a box so I can, let my staff use it or somebody else use it. Does anybody have any experience with it that, you actually create the box and or bot and all the information stored in it so
Hmm.
others can use it without having to like log into Chat GPT or whatever?
Well, I don't know if there's a way you can do it where they won't log in unless you want to just create forms that people use. But the way that you want to think about it is, for example, the two things that you're talking about would not typically be done by the same two people. Okay. So what you want to create is a Medicaid expert, number one, someone that can analyze what you say or what the information that you provided can give you ideas. So you want like the consultant. And then the other thing that you want is the document preparer expert. The prompts that you're going to give those two and the information that you're going to give those two is probably going to be different, right? So like it sounds like you've already kind of built out the expert side, the consultant side, where you can
Yeah.
pop it in. So what you want to be able to do is say, give me a concise breakdown or analysis that I can give to my document preparer to create what you have just described. And then you would have like another chat bot essentially where you would maybe upload your current templates, all of your current stuff. And then you would say, using these, I want you to have put this information in. And you may just put everything in there, like except for the client's names, honestly. And then you can just go put
Yeah.
the names in
And
there.
account numbers is,
What I probably would just do is use a generic account number like 1234, because then once they create the
yeah.
document, then you can just go in, control F, replace 1234 with what the actual numbers are or whatever. But you will want to think about these in different types of roles, and then you would create different kind of bots or different I don't know, LLMs for each role.
But how do you create it in Chat GPT and then are able to share it with people to use, but they don't have access to it to mess up what's been created or add other data?
So what you're gonna do is let me look it up so I can tell you the correct like terminology. You need to get the pro plan, which is like
Yeah.
20 bucks a month or whatever. Or
Yeah.
honestly, I would get you may need to get the business plan, which is like 50 bucks a month or something. Then you're going to create these custom GPTs is what you're going to create. All you do is if you open it up, so you're working in it. Here, I'll show you mine. So I made one for like Washington estate planning, right? So that the team can put stuff in here. They can ask a question and it pulls from like the statutes, it pulls from like CLEs that I
Hmm.
put in there. If you come up here and hit this drop down, copy link, and you can share it with
Okay.
anybody. And then they can ask questions, but they can't change it. They can't change
You're right.
the structures, the prompts, the information, stuff like that. Yep,
Yeah, I just wasn't clear on that part once I actually have it all done
that's it.
about sharing it.
That's it.
Real quick, if you're a law firm owner bringing in between 300K and 1 million, and you've got messy books and feel like you're paying too much in taxes, pay attention. At Big Bird Accounting, we only work with people like you to create clean books and pay as little in tax as legally possible. If you need help like that, go to bigbird accounting.com and let's chat.